This was the giant sinkhole that opened up in Japan just 1 week ago. And this is how it looks just 1 week on. Japanese officials managed to restore traffic to the city just 1 week after a giant sinkhole devoured a 5-lane intersection near to the station. The city mayor apologised and blamed the sinkhole on nearby construction of a subway line extension. Officials and engineers battled against time as the sinkhole continued to fill up with sewage water. Nearly 100 local establishments have reported loss of business during the operation, but the government has vowed to compensate them before the end of the year.